Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Will's Builds. Today, we're not really working on this, but, before we get into everything, I want to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. This is actually a couple days after Christmas, I know, but we'll get into this thing here in a little bit. But on today's episode, we will be doing some maintenance on the 92 Legacy and the Caprice. So stay tuned and watch along as we work on this window right here and we change some oil. So here's the broken window, as you can see. So we're going to be scraping all the rest of this stuff off. And then we're just going to, I got a sheet of plexiglass, we're just going to draw the outline of this window on there. And then cut it out. And then this window is probably one of the darker windows on the car. But you can just kind of see the line right here. Goes all the way around. It's probably about maybe an inch border all the way around. So we're gonna do that, paint it black, and then when we put it on here, it'll have its black border, but it'll be clear in the middle. And I don't know, I thought about maybe like etching something onto it, making it look a little bit nicer. Probably pull these off, they're junk. But so yeah, let's get started scraping all this crap off. So what we're going to be making this window out of is this Optix Acrylic sheet. This is from Lowe's. This stuff's relatively cheap for this is an 18 by 24 inch piece. Yeah, we're just going to lay it on here. And there's going to be some waste for sure. But which side? Okay, I'm going to draw on this side because it's flat. But let's see here. I want to make the least amount of cuts possible. So just like that. So now we're gonna go cut this out, and we will draw these lines on it afterwards. So obviously we still got some shaping to do, but let's see if we can get that to stay. There is our window, for better or for worse. So yeah, it fits pretty nicely. So here it is, kind of taped up into place. It'll actually be, you know, kind of more like that, but you get the idea. So here we go, we shaped it quite a bit. Follow that curve of that hole in there. That's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna pick this back up in the morning. I'm gonna get the lines drawn on here to get the black border around the edge. And then in the morning, I'm going to probably glue it on first thing in the morning. And I don't know if it'll be dry enough to take to work tomorrow, but might just end up taking the Caprice. But okay, so we put the put the window on the other day, and it's had a little bit of time to cure up, and I think it looks pretty good. So you can see some of like the glue kind of coming out around it, but I'm gonna take probably like a nice, oh dang, that's actually still coming apart. I'm gonna take probably a nice bead of silicone and just go all the way around the edge with it, just to give it a nice seal. But for now, I think that'll do just nicely. Definitely looks a lot better than it did with just a hole there. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this episode of Will's Builds. Thanks for watching. I hope everyone had a good holiday, and until next time, just keep building.